Welcome to the AdExpert.io podcast. Today's deep dive is all about something pretty critical for pretty much any local business. How do you actually bridge that gap between your real-world marketing efforts and everything you're doing online?
Yeah, it often feels like two completely separate things, doesn't it? But maybe, just maybe, combining them the right way is like the secret sauce.
Exactly. So our mission today is to really dig into that. We're using insights from AdExpert.io's About Us page and also their blog post, How to Combine Offline and Online Marketing for Local Business.
Right. We want to unpack why this blending even matters, how this specific strategy they talk about using things like Caasie and Google Ads actually works.
And crucially, how you can track if it's working. Plus, what it does for your brand overall. This is really for you, the listener, who wants to get the essentials of integrating these channels without drowning in jargon.
Okay, let's jump in. So traditionally, local businesses had their flyers, maybe local radio, billboards, the usual stuff.
Right, the tried and true. And now, of course, online is massive. Search ads, social media, you name it. So why not just, pick one lane and stick to it? Why the big push to combine them?
Well, the sources we looked at are pretty clear. Just doing one or the other is really leaving money on the table today. You absolutely have to be online. People search for everything there.
No question.
But especially for a local business, ignoring the physical world where your customers actually live and drive around, that's a big miss too.
So it's really not an either situation anymore.
Not according to this perspective, no. The main point in the blog post is that an integrated strategy, one that connects physical and digital, they call it a game changer. They actually say it delivers unmatched results.
A game changer. That's bold. What's the thinking behind that? Why is the combination supposedly so much better?
It comes down to creating a more complete customer experience. Think about how we behave, right? You might see a van drive past with a logo, and later maybe you look it up on your phone, or you research online first, then go visit a store. We move between online and offline all the time.
Yeah, seamlessly.
Exactly. So your marketing needs to mirror that. The goal, as they put it, is a synchronized, omnipresent brand experience.
Yeah.
It's not just two separate campaigns running side by side.
It's about building a bridge between them.
Right. Reaching people wherever they are, scrolling their phone, searching Google, or stuck in traffic looking at a billboard.
Okay, that makes sense. Meet the customer where they are. But the sources get specific, mentioning Caasie and Google Ads. How do those two platforms actually work together in this strategy? They seem quite different.
Yeah, and that's where the specific how comes in. It's not just using both. It's how they're layered. The aim is a consistent message across every channel.
So the experience feels the same, whether you see a billboard first or a Google ad first.
Precisely. That consistency, they argue, leads to real benefits. A stronger customer experience, better brand recall, and ultimately increased conversion rates. It just reinforces who you are again and again.
Okay, repeated exposure, building that familiarity. Let's get into the nuts and bolts a bit. How does the online piece, the Google Ads part, function in this specific setup, according to the sources?
So they describe a particular structure. It kicks off using Performance Max campaigns, PMax.
PMax, yeah, that's Google's AI thing, right? Spreads ads across YouTube, Gmail, search, display, pretty much everywhere. So casting a wide net online first.
That's the idea. PMax is built for broad reach, finding those conversion opportunities. But importantly, they don't just leave it at that. The sources say they also add a Google search campaign using a manual bid strategy.
Interesting. So broad AI reach plus a more controlled search campaign. Why manual bidding for search specifically? What's the advantage there?
It adds that layer of precision. PMax finds people, but the manual search campaign targets specific keyword intent, informational, transactional, and intentional.
Okay, break that down a little. Informational, transactional, intentional.
Sure. Informational is like someone searching how to fix a leaky faucet. Transactional is maybe plumbers near me or emergency plumber cost. And intentional could be searching directly for Bob's Plumbing, your specific business name.
Got it. So manual bidding lets you be more aggressive or precise on those really valuable search terms.
Exactly. You get direct control over your bids for those high-intent keywords. They say this structure keeps the whole Google Ads account optimized for both efficiency and relevance.
Okay, so online, broad reach with PMax, then sharp targeting on search with manual bids. Now, connect that to the offline piece. How does Caasie fit in?
Right, Caasie. This platform lets businesses run ads on digital billboards. But the key is where in locations where your potential customers live, work, or travel. It's like taking that online targeting idea into the physical world.
Geo-targeting with billboards makes sense. But how does it integrate? Is it just hoping someone sees the billboard and then searches later? Or is there more to it?
This is the really clever part, I think. The sources emphasize that Caasie is used to target the same audience offline that has already interacted with your online stuff.
Wait, really? So someone clicks my Google ad,
Yeah.
maybe watches a video, and then they see my billboard later when they're driving around.
That's the concept presented. It's essentially offline retargeting.
Wow. Okay, how does that work technically? How do they target the same people offline?
The sources don't detail the exact data handshake, between the online platforms and Caasie, but the implication is strong. You identify where your online audience clusters geographically, where they live, where they commute, and then you strategically place those Caasie digital billboards in those specific physical areas.
I see. So it's about overlapping the geographic footprint of your online audience with physical ad placements.
Right. The goal is to deepen your customer relationships by adding another touch point after they've already shown some interest online. It's reinforcement.
That definitely adds a layer. But okay, the age-old question with offline ads, especially billboards. How do you know if it's working? Measuring ROI on a billboard seems tough.
A very fair question. And the sources really stress that trackability is built into this specific strategy. They outline ways to actually measure the impact.
Okay, I'm listening. How do they propose tracking this kind of integrated campaign?
One big method is using QR codes directly on the offline ads, like the billboards.
Okay.
And these QR codes don't just go to your generic homepage. They lead to dedicated landing pages specifically designed for each campaign.
So a unique landing page just for people scanning the billboard QR code. Smart.
Exactly. And then, because they're landing on a specific web page, you can use standard tools like Google Analytics to track visits, bounce rates, and conversions coming directly from that page.
So you can directly tie scans of an offline ad to online actions and results. That's clever.
Right.
What about tracking leads or customer interactions beyond the website?
They also mention using CRM's customer relationship management tools. The idea is that the CRM bridges the gap between online presence and in-person engagement.
How so?
Well, it allows the business to follow up effectively with leads, whether they came in through an online form, a call from a tracked number perhaps, or even someone who filled out a form on that special landing page after scanning the QR code. It centralizes the leads from all sources.
Okay, so they've really thought about connecting the dots across the whole journey.
Yeah.
Besides these direct leads and conversions, is there any other, maybe less obvious benefit to doing this combined approach?
Yes, absolutely. And the sources highlight this as something powerful but often missed: the impact on your brand's authority.
Brand authority. How does seeing a billboard and maybe a Google ad boost authority?
It creates this kind of positive feedback loop, especially with Google. Think about it. Someone sees your billboard, maybe sees it a few times. Later, they specifically search for your business name online.
Okay, like searching for Bob's Plumbing directly.
Right. That's called branded search. When Google sees more people searching directly for your brand name, it interprets that as a signal of relevance and trust. People are actively looking for you.
So more people searching my name tells Google I'm legit.
Pretty much. It boosts what they call your authority score. An increase in branded search, driven partly by that offline visibility, signals to Google that you're a real established entity people care about. And that, in turn, raises your visibility in search rankings overall.
Wow. Okay, so the billboard isn't just an ad. It's actually fueling my SEO in a way.
In a sense, yes. And think about the perception. Someone sees your billboard, then searches for you, finds your professional website and online presence. It all reinforces that feeling of legitimacy and trustworthiness.
It makes the business look more established.
Exactly. As the sources put it, this integrated strategy improves results at every level of the funnel, from initial awareness offline right through to building that long-term trust online.
That's a really holistic way to look at it. Okay, so this whole integrated strategy, Caasie structured Google Ads, the tracking, the brand authority boost, this is coming from adexpert.io. Tell us a bit about them based on the sources.
Sure. Adexpert.io is described as a Los Angeles-based online marketing and web development agency. They mention having a decade of experience specifically serving clients in the local LA market.
And did they mention who's behind the agency?
Yes. They introduced Sam Ashrafi as the founder and marketing strategist, noting his 10-plus years of experience. They also mentioned Ehsan Nabovadi, highlighting his expertise in SEO and analytics and his focus on staying current.
Okay, so experienced folks. Why this particular strategy? What's AdExpert.io's philosophy behind combining Caasie and Google Ads this way?
Well, the sources state pretty clearly that AdExpert.io believes combining Casey's location-based targeting with a smartly built Google Ads account creates a strategy that ensures maximum exposure and engagement.
This is about maximizing eyeballs and interaction.
Right, but also about reflecting reality. Their philosophy seems to be building campaigns that reflect real customer journeys, starting online, extending offline, and converting back online or in-store. They're trying to match how people actually behave.
That makes intuitive sense. Aligning the marketing with how people actually live. What else did he say about their general approach?
They emphasize being committed to delivering quality and results-driven solutions. They also mention using innovative AI solutions, being very data-driven, and aiming to build long-term partnerships, suggesting they're not just about quick campaigns, but sustained growth.
And which of their services tied directly into making this kind of integrated strategy happen?
The ones mentioned that fit right in are Google Ads Management, obviously, local SEO, which connects to that branded search benefit we talked about, website SEO, and copywriting. You need all those pieces for a consistent online presence to support the offline side.
Makes sense. And finally, what kind of results do they say clients can expect from using this combined approach with them?
According to the sources, the outcomes include reaching customers in their actual real-world locations with the offline ads, guiding them smoothly online via well-designed landing pages, being able to track conversions, using those QR codes and analytics, enhancing the overall online presence while boosting local visibility through that search feedback loop, and ultimately building stronger customer relationships through consistent engagement.
It definitely sounds like a well-thought-out system for local businesses navigating today's world. And location is key for them. Where exactly does AdExpert.io offer these services?
They're very specific about serving the Los Angeles area.
Do they narrow it down even further?
They do. They list several neighborhoods: Woodland Hills, Calabasas, Winnetka, Tarzana, Encino, Sherman Oaks, West Hills, Reseda, Burbank, Van Nuys, and surrounding areas. So yeah, a pretty significant chunk of LA.
Okay, so wrapping this up, we've unpacked how, for local businesses, it's maybe not about choosing between offline and online anymore.
Right. The real power, according to AdExpert.io's approach, seems to lie in strategically integrating them, using tools like Caasie for targeted digital billboards and combining that with a well-structured Google Ads account.
And the key is that it's not just mixing tactics, it's creating this connected, trackable system that follows the customer journey and even has these bonus effects like boosting your online authority through increased branded search.
Yeah, the sources frame it quite significantly, calling it potentially the future of integrated marketing for local players. It's all about making every impression count, whether it's seen on a screen or on the street, and turning that visibility into actual lasting customer relationships.
So here's something for you, the listener, to think about. Consider your own actions just today. How many times did you maybe see something offline, a truck, a sign, an ad that made you pull out your phone later and look that business up? If you run a local business, how could your marketing be intentionally set up to capture that specific journey, to connect that real-world sighting to an online interaction and, hopefully, a conversion?
It's a really interesting question to ponder for any local business owner.
Definitely. And if this idea of building a connected, trackable strategy like the one we've discussed resonates with you, the sources suggest contacting AdExpert.io, especially if you're in that Los Angeles service area, to see how they might help apply this approach to grow your business.